Farmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Brown County in southwestern Ohio, northern Adams County in southwestern Ohio, western Pike County in southwestern Ohio, Highland County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Scioto County in southwestern Ohio, southern Ross County in southwestern Ohio, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hillsboro, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Hillsboro, Greenfield, Peebles, Leesburg, Winchester, Marshall, Sardinia, Seaman, Bainbridge, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Belfast, Rocky Ford Point, Highland Holiday, Cynthiana, North Folk Village, New Market, Emerald, and Morristown.